Hello, I'm back with another update. This one's going to be a bit different from the previous videos since I started looking into generating the map that I'm going to be using. And I started looking into generating, first of all, like some walls. And I made like an interesting tool that I can use to basically I can click here and generate on the path of the mouse where I'm clicking. I can generate like a wall with randomized segments. This is potentially useful. Well, it's not useful like this specifically because I want to generate the map without any input from me. And so the other thing that I did is that I tried to make this work with a spline. So, and that's going to be, well, a lot closer to what I'm going to be having in the final game. Let's just do a spline right here with like, let's make it an interesting shape. Thing along those lines. There we go. Let's end it right there. That seems good enough. And then I should be able to generate the wall along that spline. There we go. This is it. Let me move the camera back a little so that we can see more of this. There we go. A bit like that, and we have the whole wall. And what we can do is we can modify the number of segments that the wall has, and we can make it almost very smooth. I can get it like to be extremely smooth, like it's not even segmented in any way. It's like a fluid line. But yeah, I'm not going to be actually using that because it's too costly. Well, I could technically make it render better, but yeah. So this is a cool effect, and I can, at least visually, it's pretty cool. And in the final game, I'm thinking of making the map generation, and maybe for some specific levels have this wall, or well, not this wall specifically, but a wall for the borders of the map, at least on certain sections. This can be one of the tools that I use. But yeah, we'll see. We'll see. It's a cool tool for now.